Let me show you how to delete watch history on TikTok. Looking right here on the screen is the home page of my TikTok app. So at the bottom of the screen, you can see the profile icon. If you click on that like this, it is going to direct you to this page. So you just need to go ahead and click on the three-line icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then go ahead and click on settings and privacy, or looking right here where you can see personalized too, you can see watch history right there. If you click on that like this, you'd be able to see your watch history. You can also see your watch history by going to settings and privacy like this, scroll a little bit, and you're going to be able to see activity center. So when you click on your activity center like this, you just need to go ahead and click on watch history. So looking right here is your watch history. So in order for you to actually delete your watch history, this is what you simply need to do. You need to go ahead and click on the three dot icon at the top right corner like this and click on select. Once you do that, go ahead and select the watch history you want to delete. Just go ahead and select them like this. Once you're done selecting the watch history that you want to delete like this, you can now go ahead and click on delete at the bottom. Or you can actually delete all the watch history by clicking on all watch history at the bottom here by checking this box. Once you check that box, you'd be able to delete all watch history. So here, I'm going to go ahead and delete only those 12 videos. Click on delete like this and it is going to be deleted. So this is how simple it is for you to delete watch history on TikTok. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell. It has always been Daniel. See you in the next video.